I made my biggest play ever. All right, y'all, listen. My goal this year is to bring you all on this page on a journey of this portfolio. Right, my ultimate goal is to be $1 million trader. That's right, $1 million trader. That's my goal. So I thought I recorded the day that I did $138,000 in a day, but I didn't. Things happen. I forgot. So today I made my biggest play ever, and I also added a new play to my recession portfolio. You stay to the end, you're definitely gonna see what that new play is. It's definitely a sleeper. People don't know about it, but I've been talking about it for a while. But first, I need you to like, subscribe, share, go through that so you can see these updates, because we're gonna be adding this portfolio on this page every week, and you don't want to miss it as I walk you through this portfolio. All right, so first play up we got is Amazon. That's not my new play, but we just giving you an update so you can see my new plays. The Amazon play we have, it is now up 101%. Today alone, we made $1,400. Total gain is $14,626. I did sell, no, I didn't. So I have 10 shit contracts of that. The AVGO play is now up 233%. I have taken from that. So I got 2 contracts in that, as we can see. I have sold from that one 3 times. I had 8 contracts altogether. So we up $68,000. I mean, we up $50,000 in value of that. Now I like AVGO, which is Broadcom, because it is a Internet of Things stock. So like everything internet related, chip related is a part of this company. I love this company. Definitely moves in bunches. For my option plays, I love plays that move in bunches. Of course, we got the CrowdStrike play in, right? So we got 15 contracts of CrowdStrike. We up 2%. That was one of my new plays. Ding, 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 ding. That was one of the ones I wanted to tell y'all before. We in CrowdStrike. We up 2%. We got 15 contracts on that. I'm excited about that play. That play is over in September. So then we got our 2 Google plays. One Google play is up 29%. We got 9 contracts. Another Google play, I am down 12,000. Down 12,000 on that one. Google missed earnings. That I had finally broke green on it. But when Google missed earnings, it took me down. We out of that call in September. Of course, we up on 2 Meta plays, 164%, 116%. Those plays, I have 8 contracts apiece, but I sold half. I had 15 contracts. Damn, I wanted to make that play, that post, I was up 138,000. Meta had a lot to do with that. And then we got the Netflix play. Netflix, we up 77%. I was up 90% on it. I haven't taken nothing from it. We got 10 contracts on it. That play is also up in September. Well, September gonna be a heavy month for me. September this year gonna be a heavy month for me. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 plays expiring. September gonna be a heavy month for me. And then we got the 2 NVIDIA plays. So we got 3 and 6. We actually took from that because that's up 274%. I took from that twice. I know I had 12 contracts in the NVIDIA play. We had 12 contracts in that first NVIDIA play. The next NVIDIA play is up 142%, which is dope. I like NVIDIA because, I mean, the stock is running. One of the things you don't want to do is just go against the grain. Like if you see the stock running, you see the stock going crazy. For me, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. In most cases, when this stock pulls back, you'll probably see me adding more contracts. You'll see me getting new positions. You get in it while it's running, and then when it pulls back, you just jump in another position. That's kind of one of the ones I feel like gonna take me. But from row, this third NVIDIA position, the August 16th, 6:30 call is my biggest play ever. I have 20. Damn, I thought I did 25. We got 22 contracts. We got a 6:30 call on it, which means we think the play will hit $630 by September. The contract cost me a whopping $168,000. That's the most contracts I've ever had. That's the most I ever put on a play. Nvidia took a big fall the other day, and I was like, you know what? Yo, it's down. It went down from 630 something to 613. Late market was over. I put a limit call in, a limit order in, which means once it hit this price, my trigger will go off. It opened up at 623. My limit order was at 617. I had a feeling it was going to go down just because it rose such high. It hit that 617 and it triggered. When I got the alert that it triggered, y'all, I was excited. I was nervous. I was anxious. I wasn't scared because we put the money up. So I'm definitely, I have a different type of emotion attached to that. And the reason why I'm saying is because nothing really changes when your format still stays the same, your formula stays the same. The only thing that changes is the emotion because of how much money you putting up. So depending on how much money you putting up, that's when your emotion starts to change. Like, so if a person getting one contract, right? So you start with one contract, and if you start with one contract, it's kind of like being on a block. You get your first pack, you're kind of nervous, but then you score that 2-for-1 a couple of times, you get that pack, you're good. But now you move up from a 8-ball to a quarter. I'm sorry. I shouldn't be talking like that to y'all. All right, you move from one contract to 2 contracts, you're like, damn, this is more capital. So imagine me now getting 22 contracts of NVIDIA. Let me know in the chat how y'all will feel about putting $168,000 on one specific play. But remember, I told y'all my goal is to be a what? $1 million trader. So I do not take any money out of this account. I just keep on building up on it. The goal for me is I know. Now here's my thesis behind this. All right. Is my thesis behind this, right? So I never make a play without having a thesis, an idea, a hypothesis, a soliloquy, whatever immaculate words you want to use, right? I don't like to play earnings calls the day before, right? I do it every now and then. I like to play earnings calls 2 weeks out. And the reason why is because I can feel like I can get some momentum if I'm a play an earnings call. I feel like I could get some momentum, and as I get the momentum, if they hit on earnings, I won't be crushed by that IV, by that volatility. If it happens, I'll have momentum going into earnings, and then the momentum can take me to another level. If the stock misses, then the goal is, I don't know, to be in position to have enough leverage on it to where it doesn't take me out, and then it recovers. And then I can do what's called adding a leg, so I can get up under that. So this is my biggest play, y'all, that NVIDIA August 16th. Now listen, don't y'all watch the play stalking me. Don't start watching your Robinhood trying to stalk what Trap doing. Don't do that. Trap, don't be Trap. Don't do me that. Let me live. But let's look at it like this. If I can get what I usually get on average is 100%, that means this one play can net me about at least $330,000. And you know NVIDIA is good for going on these parabolic runs. All right. My next call is QQQ. It's up 14%. I got another QQQ down in September. Well, this is my March call, my March QQQ call. Okay, I might gotta get out of that one soon. Yeah, I might gotta get out of that one soon. So my March QQQ call, and then my September QQQ call is down $3,000. I got a good SMH call in. We got 10 contracts on that. It's up 7 grand. My XLK call, put that in the other day. We down 19% because Google and Microsoft had horrible earnings. They weren't really horrible, but they weren't what expected. So the market didn't reward them at all for that. And then my XLY play down 36%. It's just getting clobbered. I'm gonna hold it, see what it does. I got it till December. I might hold it all year just to see. But I'm excited about that, y'all. I'm excited about what we have. And you figure that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Out of 17 plays, we only down on 1, 2, 3, 4 plays, y'all. That ain't bad, y'all. It's a good percentage, man. 17 plays, down on 4 plays. 16 plays, I'm sorry, down on 4 plays. I'm not mad at that. I definitely want to see what you all got to say about that. My biggest call ever. I'm predicting that I can get 100% rate of return on this, which will give me a little over $320,000 from this one play. Now, here's the thing: when the market does give me that, that's a new level for me. And so now my mind is, if I can get 100% on that play, the goal gonna be to sell my half of that position. So that'll be 11 contracts, keep 11 contracts and let that run. But mentally what that's gonna do is that's gonna open me up to another level, because now I'm gonna be wanting to get 25 contracts every time I play. And the reason why is because that's gonna help me get to where I gotta get. In order to make $1 million trade, I'm gonna have to have at least, in my mind, $300,000 invested. And the reason why is because a $300,000 investment or the 100% will give me about $600,000. But watch this. Hear me well here. If I can get 200%, that'll put me where I need to be at. It'll put me at least 900,000, a million or better. Look at my averages. I'm averaging 100%, 283%, 2%, 29%, minus 29%, 164%, 116%, 77%, 274%, 142%. Listen, y'all, I feel like I can get this play to do what I needed to do. Anyway, I want y'all to watch me and be with me on that. Let me show you another play that I added to my, that was the play I added. So it was the Crown Strike. It was the Crown Strike, the NVIDIA, the XLK are the new plays to my portfolio. Man, we over 1.7 on this portfolio overall. And every week I'm gonna bring y'all on this journey with me. This is exciting for me to get a play, to go this big, to drop this much. And you can start where you want to start at. But if you want to see it, again, in real time, check out Trapping Tuesdays on every Tuesday on the Wall Street Look Like Us Now Network. It's your boy, the Wall Street Trapper. Like and subscribe. Tell me below what you think about this play. Salute.